am actually in a haunted house where Lewis Clark went, so I'm going to explore what I can find and take you on the journey with me, so stay tuned. It's quite haunted and it looks like haunted as well, so let's try and find some ghosts. Christ. Why is there a mirror in a door? That is so creepy. Dark in here. I've never known a place so dark in my life. But look, let's go. What the fuck was that? Let's quickly go upstairs and go. Yeah, because look, Liam cut his hand here. Bloody hell, there's another level up there. What the hell is that? Upstairs. Where's all my tea? We're in the attic. We're in the roof space. That's how pitch black it is, people. That's my camera. Oh. I'm just waiting for a funny animal to run around. look at that old wire. Oh, a boom. Do you want to sweep up? Oh, cool. That's a chilly wind. Look, that's outside. There's nothing outside. It's just like a broken window. Cool, breezy coming through that. Cool, cold. Oh my god, there's another room. Basket. Go down now. Ooh, spider web. Don't know what's happened to all of this. I think it's all that blood. Ooh, look at that. It goes all the way down to banisters. Oh god. I think it's time to go out now. It's chilly down here. It's cold. Let's have to explore this room. This is where Brandon and Liam and Lewis Clark and Leon sat down. We enjoyed a bit of bread and pizza and some bottles and whatever. So yeah. There's more blood. Ugh. That was Liam's blood, that was. This is where they've done their intro for their video, and that old filing cabinet there, or kitchen appliances, whatever you call it. Oh, the blackboard. Oh, SA, I don't know what that's for. Oh, I don't know what that is. Some room. Now I'm inside the bathroom. I do need a wee at the moment, but I won't go down that. Why would they put carpet in a toilet? That's disgusting. Oh, look at that water. Oh my god. Old fashioned thing. What a funny sink that is. Oh, another chill breeze. My god, cold. And that's what's outside there. Nothing exciting, just loads of bushes and brambles. So yeah, my exploring done at a haunted house where Lewis Clark went. So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I can't give thumbs up on this video because I'm holding a torch. And if you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe if you're new. And I will see you in another video. Over and out. Bye. Hello people, and thank you for watching my video. And if you'd like to turn the bell on for notifications so you won't need to miss any videos which I upload, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and also don't forget to follow me on my social medias. The links will be in the description down below. You can follow me on my Facebook page, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, and also thank you for watching once again, and I'll see you in another video. Over and out. Bye.